Okay, hello. Today we're going to be learning about the anatomy of an isosceles triangle. Let's get started. So right here, I've drawn an isosceles triangle. By the definition of an isosceles triangle, we know that these two sides are equal in length, but this side isn't, and that's what makes an isosceles triangle isosceles. Okay, so let's start with the terminology of the side lengths first. So these two sides that are equal, they're called the legs. So that should be one leg right there, and here is another leg. And the side that is not equal to the others, let's do that actually in a different color. That's not equal to the others is called the base. So now let's recap. The sides that are equal to each other are called legs, and the side that is not equal to any other sides or congruent to any other sides is called the base. Let's look at the angles. So I'm going to draw in my angles in red. Now, as you know, these two base angles, let me maybe even do it in a different color, or yeah. The two base angles here, which I'm drawing over, these are congruent because this side and this side are congruent to each other, so their angles are congruent to each other. Okay, let me make that darker. And then this top angle is not congruent to any of the other angles. So now let's define the angles in this picture. So this angle right here, which is not congruent to any of the other angles, is called the vertex angle. And the vertex angle is basically formed by the two legs. So these two legs meet and they form the vertex angle. Then the two angles that are formed by the base, so this angle and this angle, they are both called base angles. And I'm just going to write this little sign that means angle. So the base angles are basically any angle in the isosceles triangle that's connected to this base. So if they're connected to this base, they are a base angle. So a base angle has one side, one ray as the base, and one ray as the leg, one leg. So that is the anatomy of an isosceles triangle. Hope that helped.